All right, here we are on Kent's welcome page, and we want to install Adobe's Creative Cloud. First, before we install Illustrator, Photoshop, or Acrobat, or Adobe Express. So I'm going to go over to www.kent.edu/IT for information technology. We're going to go to our IT page. There is a big button right here called Download Software. I'm going to click on that button. Now, I am recording this on a PC, so I'm going to show you the PC install. The Mac install is very similar. We're still going to go to the IT page. Here, we're going to see some information. You can just ignore that. We're going to go to where it says Publisher and click on Adobe. And here, you can enter your operating system, but you can see we have here, it says PC or Mac for both. The only difference is we have university computer versus personal computer. So I'm going to click on personal computer here. So you can click either on the icon or on view details. I'm going to click on view details right here. Now the pop-up that pops up right here on my computer says that I already have the program downloaded. What you should see is something different. You should see a pop-up that gives you a link to request the software. And you should click on that. After you click on that, you will receive a link to a download where you can download and install Creative Cloud, or you will receive instructions to an email that will have a link that you can download the material and install it. To install it, you just double click on it and hit install. Now, if you have already purchased Creative Cloud on your own and not using the school discount, and you want to have the school discount, then you will need to either click on this link or dial 1-800-833-6687, and you're going to have to speak to a representative, which may be AI, but explain to them that you will be participating in Kent State's ETLA agreement and ask to have your termination fee waived prior to repurchasing with Kent State. The instructions are here on this pop-up. If you just say that to them, they will take care of it. If this is too much for you, you can go visit the tech help desk on the main floor of the library, the main campus library. There are big signs everywhere on the first floor. And there are lots of people there eager to help. Make sure you have Creative Cloud installed. After you have Creative Cloud installed and you go to this button right here where it says Apps, you will see all the apps you have available that you can download, and you will see the word install if you want to install them. What you need to have installed before you come to class is Adobe Illustrator this week. But Adobe Express, I think you can access just through your browser in Creative Cloud, so you don't need to install that. You will need to install Illustrator, you will need to install Acrobat, and you will need to install Photoshop eventually. Make sure you have these three installed before you come to class. And that's it. I'll see you in class.